Hello. What's your name? Oh,
Oh, heard so much about you. Just heard a lot of good things about you.
we're in the Subathon right now.
What?
Have y'all been enjoying the Subathon? 6 days in?
Are we 6?
Yeah. We're getting deep. Starting to move. Man, I just love food.
If you had to eat, and chat should answer, I want to pull out my chat and see. If there was one, like, type of food you could eat, like, nationality of food, like, one culture you could eat for the rest of your life, like, one type of food, what would it be? I mean, like, literally. Like, think like...
Probably
like
Japanese.
Really?
Like Asian food?
Like, what would be your go-to from that?
Like Wagyu, like steak.
That's not bad. I think I would go Mexican.
Why?
Because you could get like breakfast burritos, and you could get obviously like steak and meat. That's good.
I can get.
You know what the meta is for games? You take the bread, you put like the chicken in the bread like this, and then like low key, you like, okay, this is too much chicken. You like fold it up like this and then dip it.
This is why we're fat, bro.
You got a little ass kids meal. That's literally what the kids get. That's the smallest. Look at your box.
And it fills me.
Are you getting tatted tomorrow? Are you gonna do that one with the?
Yeah. I mean, I don't know, bro. I want it better.
I mean, that one's sick. I'm not even gonna lie.
Who's gonna keep me company while I get tatted? Are you gonna keep me company?
Yeah, I'm down. You're gonna be on the chair for like 3-4 hours. I'll kick it with you for a little bit.
Chad, what's everyone else doing in the house? Girl content?
You kind of gotta keep yourself busy.
I know.
And Leisha's playing 2K.
I Lacey.
A good dude.
Lacey's a great dude. He had the president of the United States over it up.
Money, I'm not even gonna lie.
What?
The whole setup he did for the Obama. And the actor, the guy who he hired was good.
Who he hired?
Obama was good.
Who's hired?
You know what I'm saying? Exclamation point bad.
If you guys want to go to Camp 2, type Camp 2.
What's Cam 2? Is that me?
Yeah.
Wait, Norton got banned in my
What?
chat for, wait, what are y'all talking about? Oh, oh, big pants with the tag. Shout out to Big Pants. Appreciate you, my boy. What time tomorrow?
For what?
Are you getting
Is
tired?
it 6 or 7?
Should we actually wake up and hit the gym?
Maybe. What's good, Arky?
Yo, what's good? What you eating?
Hey, you want some
Yes.
chicken?
I'll take a little bit of chicken.
Give him some of your chicken, bro.
No. Bro. If
Get him some of your chicken.
No, he barely ate any of the damn. Ron finished before he even ate chicken.
Take your half.
You sure?
I don't care about his opinion.
Go ahead, yeah.
Wait,
Well,
have some of that?
I split
No.
in half.
Thank you.
What are you doing?
you ate all your food already. You should have just got more food.
You know, bro? Whatever, bro. Keep your fucking up. Thank you for the 10 gifted, bro. Thank you.
Why is there a ghost energy in this house?
Yeah, people gotta stop bringing another bullshit in the house.
I have no idea who would do that. It's not any of us,
Obviously. They're sabotaging us.
actually.
Hey.
Yo, who keeps buying that shit?
What?
The G word.
Huh?
The GHO word. The opposite of that.
Oh, I don't know.
You gotta fucking find out who it is or they're getting kicked out.
Alright.
Oh.
Because it's gotta be one of somebody up there.
Where was it?
I don't know, I heard of them talk about it, but it's like the 4th time it's happened.
Yeah, they got pissed.
The Galaxy gas shot. Oh my god.
That exact face is a troll face. Yeah.
Wait, how does it?
No, you had it the first time. Yeah, there you go. Where your mouth is like curved into the side.
Yeah, what with the 25 gifted? Thank you. Oh my god, we're 50 subs off. We're 40 subs off.
23? 23 for Michael
Wait,
Jordan?
I'm 32 subs away from 23. Yeah. Or no, from 22,500. Thank you.
I can't believe you were shooting today. Your outfit got better.
Can you go outside and see my shot?
You want to play like a game of horse or something? Or FaZe? God damn, wait, what's going on here? Wait, what? I have 3 fries left. Why did you just not get a meal that wasn't for a fucking 4-year-old?
You sure know a lot about feeding 4-year-olds, huh? There's someone on the floor.
You're not gonna break my neck.
Okay.
Wow. I just looked out there too, that's crazy. Damn, we catch this. One bite. You know the rules, bro. Chill.
W Bevo.
Chill. Why? What the f*** that?
Just looking at it, it looks so good.
I went to put it in my mouth and you put your head closer.
Nah, I'm watching. Looks really good.
Here.
You sure?
Yeah. God damn. God damn.
I don't even want to really play, but I just want to shoot like a couple shots.
Okay, let's do it. Davey, thank you for the 2-1. Alright, let's go shoot for a little bit. Should we get lost to film?
Nah, I can put it up.
Oh, okay, bet. Alright, chat. We're gonna go outside and shoot. I'm putting y'all in my pocket for a second.